Namaste to all. I Sangeeta Bhattar welcome you to our Divine Healing channel, and today I am going to talk about different ways, different techniques which you can use to energize water. Water has many powerful molecules and oxygens from our atmosphere. The power in our own energy reaches into the world and into our energy field. Also, using these techniques, you can convert a simple water into very powerful energetic water. In India, most of the people do have a prayers room, right? So what you can do, you can take a glass of water either like this, or you can take a jug. You can take either a plastic jug if you have it, or you can take the glass jug if you have it. Does not matter, whatever you have it, you can use it. So you can fill up the water into this and put it inside the prayer room, and while you are chanting the mantra or while you are praying, you put it there. Also, what you can do, put this jug or glass of water night before, and you just close it, it doesn't has to be open, and leave it there for a night time. And next day when you do all your prayers and mantras and stuff, after that you take that water and give it to your family members, and you also drink it. Also, you can put the water in the spray bottle and you can spray that water around the home. So what's going to happen, like if you have a little bit of negative energy, so spraying this water is going to convert into highly energetic atmosphere in your house. So this is the one technique which you can use it. Like also I will show you that if you are chanting mantras, right, most of the time you can put water there and you can chant mantras either loudly or in your mind. Still it's going to go and work, and this water is going to become a highly energetic water. Also, you can give intention that whatever mantras I am chanting, the vibrations of these mantras goes into this water and make this water highly energetic, positive water. So whoever drinks this water may get mentally relaxed and physically strong. Then there is another technique where this is a car. I just wanted to show you. That's the reason I just have this Om card. So what you can do, you can take this in a big, or you can print out, or you can write it yourself. I have the Om thing. Also, you can write down any mantras in a piece of paper, and you can put the glass, like I'm just going to show it to you so that you understand that this is the card, and I'm going to put this card and this, and just put it there and leave it there for at least 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And when you put this card on the bottom and put the glass on the top, you have to give intention that the vibrations from this Om mantras goes into this water. Okay, that's the intentions are very important. So you can put this card on the bottom, and you can put the glass of water, the jug of water on the top of it. So you have to give intentions that all the positive energy from this mantra is going into this water, and this water is becoming a highly energetic water. I myself use different mats and different coasters. I got this thing from a company which they produce, and that works perfectly fine. So I have this coaster, and it's made with natural crystals and oil, and it says I am peace. There's another coaster here. I use this coaster for my water bottles, for my water, for my cup of tea. Also, the same company produce in different different textures. Like this is also a mat from the same company. This is a bigger one, this is a small one. These mats I put it in the fridge also, so that the jug which is in the fridge, the water get energized. They also sell this kind of mats. These mats you can use to sit down, or you can put water on this mat, and this mat will convert your water into highly energetic water. I am using this mat since so many years. I also use the water bottle from this company with a building coaster, and this also is made with crystals and oils, and this makes your water highly energetic water. I am using this so many years. If anybody is interested, I sell that also, so you can contact me through my email ID. Now I will be showing you different techniques where you can put the glass of water and it will convert into highly energetic water. First is this angel. This angel helps you to lose weight. So what you can do, you can take this angel and put it in a glass of water and leave it there at least for half an hour, maybe 15 minutes or half an hour. You take it out and drink that water. Also, you have to give intention that this energy which I am putting in the water is going to help me to lose my weight. Then you can use different crystals to energize water, but when you use crystal, I want you to use like glass like this. I do not want you to use glass like this, because when you use this glass, you put crystals around the glass, so the water it's not going to touch the base of the water. That's the reason I do not recommend to use this glass. I have already set up my glass of water with different crystals, so I would like to show it to you. So this glass of water is surrounded with all the healing stones. These are all the healing stones which I am using to heal my water, and I also have given intention that this healing stones energy is going to go into this water and make this water highly energetic. Second thing is, I do have this pyramid. I do have these different pyramids which I have put around the water, and also I have given intentions. The energy from this pyramid goes into the water and make this water highly energetic. Now people, if you know, people who are using this Rudraksh is very, very powerful. So you can also put different Rudraksh around your water, like I have already put it here in the like my tray. Water which is surrounded with the Rudraksh is also going to be very, very powerful. And when you put Rudraksh around the water, you have to give intention that all the highly energetic powers that's going into this water and make this water highly energetic. So another thing is, like if you have this like crystal like these pencils, what you can do, you can put around the water, same around the glass, and you can also, this will also work perfectly fine. Then I am having a big crystal, like I have the amethyst. So I am going to show it to you. If you have this kind of crystal, do not worry. What you can do, you can put one here, put glass in the middle, and then put another crystal on the side like this. So glass is in the middle and two crystals on the side. If you have one, that will also work perfectly fine, but if you have more than one, you can put and surround the glass of water, and it is going to work perfectly fine. But when you use all these crystals and all these different stones for the water, I will suggest you to leave at least for 15 minutes. At least for 15 minutes to work. So you have to wait for 15 minutes to energize the water. So this is for the people who are using essential oils. Either you can put it in the water, or what you can do, I do have this lavender oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one drop, I'm going to rub it in the hand. Wow, that's nice. And then you can put your hand on the top of the water and give intentions that the energy from this essential oil is going into the water and making this water really highly energetic. And you have to put at least for 5 minutes. If you can put it for 5 minutes, that's work perfectly fine. People who are using essential oils, they can use essential oil into the water directly, but you have to be very careful which oil you're using. Since I am working with oils in so many years, so I know which oil works perfectly fine for me. Another technique to energize water is the music balls. So what you can do, you can put a glass in the music ball, and then you can just tap them. So the vibrations from this will also goes into the water and make you highly energetic water. This is one another technique. People who are using music ball, also people who are using tuning forks. So what you can do, the vibrations from the tuning forks is also going to work perfectly fine. So these were the few techniques which you can use it to energize and heal your water. You can use whichever technique works for you, or which you are drawn to use this technique. There is not a right or wrong way, but whatever technique you feel like, look, this technique worked for me, that's perfectly fine. If you do not have time to chant mantras, if you do not have time to say affirmations, what you can do, you can take a piece of paper, you can write down all the affirmation, and you can put the glass of water or the jug of water on the top of it, and leave it at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Also what you can do, you can write it down affirmations on a piece of paper, and you can laminate that paper so that it won't get wet. Then there is another technique where you can use Supposing I'm going to use this water bottle, right? So what I can do, I don't have to worry about the water recharge because it's all going to charge. But if I want affirmations for my kids or for myself, I will write it down in a sticker and I will stick around the border, and it like this it is going to stay there forever. And you can use affirmations according to your need. One more technique I would like to discuss with you is how to energize water with the sunlight. And when you put in the sunlight, I only want you to use glass, no plastic, no steel, nothing. Like this is a glass jug. Also, if you have the top of plastic, you have to remove the top, and you can put a cloth, a thin cloth around it to cover up, or you can use any other thing, but do not use plastic because plastics are not good when you put anything outside in the sun. If you do not have a place where you can put outside your water, you can also put it inside from the window where the sun is coming through the window. Wherever the place where you feel like, okay, this is the place where the sun comes in from the window, you can put it there and it's going to work perfectly fine. You can use any glass bottles for that. Does not matter, like it has to be big, small, according to your need you can use it. What I do leave the water outside for 3 days. Of course, in the evening time I'll take it back, in the morning I will put it again. And also, when there is not bright sun outside, still there is a vibrations coming out from the sun. So you can still put your water outside or near the window from where the light is coming, and it's going to work perfectly fine. What I do, I put water outside my home for 3 days. Of course, I put it in the morning and take it in the evening and leave it inside the house for night time. So for 3 days I put it there. After 3 days, what I do, I pour that water into another jug, and then again I will refill the glass bottle and I put it outside. So at least I leave for 3 days. At least you have to leave it for 24 hours, so maybe you can put it for 2 days, does not matter. So when you put your water outside in the sun, you get the benefit from all the sun's vibrations, and also it's also going to convert the water into vitamin D also. So there is one way to get natural vitamin D also. Also, you can use color glass bottle if you would like to use it, and that's perfectly fine. I do have 2 glass color water bottle which I would like to show you. It's green and orange, but it has to be only glass. You cannot put plastic outside, and different color works for different things. Also, if you do not have like color glass bottle, what you can do, you can take either a cloth, plain color, like I do have this like green color, I have pink color. So you can it's your creation. You can use any, like you can use paper, you can use cloth. And what you can do, I will show you one thing. This is the golden, and I will put it down and put my glass of water on the top, so that whatever benefits I'm going to get it from the golden color, it will go into the water. Also, when you place anything, supposing I'm putting green color, so whenever I put any color cloth or any color paper, and when I put a glass of water or jug of water or the bottle of water, I have to give intentions, because different color carries different things. So like now I will tell you which color is for what purpose. So green color is for money, growth, harmony, freshness and fertility. Light red color is for joy, passion and sensitivity. Pink color is for, of course, for romance, love and friendship. Gold color is for illumination, wealth and wisdom. White color is for light, goodness, purity and innocence. You can use these colors into your life and use it to get success, or use it to get money. Also, what you can do, like supposing if you do not want to say, you can either stick, you can put down a piece of paper and put it on the top of it and put the glass of water on the top of it. Also, suppose if you know that one of your chakra is not balanced, and chakra also have colors, so you can use that particular color to balance your chakras, but you have to give intentions that I'm using this color to balance this chakra. I have shared few tips and techniques with you through which you can energize your water and heal your water at your own home and your own space. And I want you to use all these different techniques, whichever works for you, does not matter, to use it in daily life and make it a habit. So during this pandemic, it is going to help and work perfectly fine for you and your family. I hope you like my video and you like my tips and you will be using these tips. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these videos, and if you need any more information regarding these videos, regarding another technique, just let me know and I would love to answer all your comments. I would like to say thank you to all my viewers. So thank you so much for watching this video. Also, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Also, people who are visiting for the first time, and if you like this video, I would highly recommend to subscribe to my channel, and also to turn on the notification button, so whenever we upload new videos, you guys will be able to see these new videos. Also, I want to say thanks to all who had put nice comments on my videos. Not only that, but also people who are reaching out through my WhatsApp, through the messages on Facebook or Instagram. Also, I would like to say thanks to my team who is working really hard behind the scenes to make sure that every week you guys are able to see me with my new videos. So till we meet next time, keep smiling, be happy. I, Sangeeta Patel, take your leave with lot of love, light and angels blessing. Namaste.